DecentrAI is a platform where users can submit their machine learning tasks, which are executed on individual nodes, known as decentralized. This platform serves two kinds of users. One is a user who submits their ML tasks, and the other kind of users are known as DSP or service providers. The jobs submitted by users are executed by service providers on their individual machines. When a user submits a job, they are visible to service providers. Then the service providers select the job and the jobs are executed on the decentralized, which are added by the service providers. For this job, I will be using two types of MetaMask accounts. The first account is for a user, and the second account is for a service provider. So, now we will submit a new job using the user account. As you can see, this is the dashboard of the user. Here, I will create a new task. We'll enter the name of the task, select the algorithm and the job type. Next, we'll choose the dataset file, and as we can see, the platform has automatically parsed the CSV dataset fields. We will choose the fields, the target field, and then we generate the file hash. When we select the file, it is automatically uploaded on the interplanetary file system. As you can see, we have the file hash generated. Next, we'll select the result set that we want. Let's select accuracy. We can see our job summary. Now we will submit the job and confirm the transaction on MetaMask. The platform says the job has been submitted. Therefore, now we can see the job in our job list, and we can see the latest job we submitted below. We can confirm it using the timestamp. These are the parameters that we selected. Now we will log in using the service provider account and execute the job on DecentrAI. This is the page for service provider where they can see all their decentralized and add new decentralized. We can see that these are the available jobs for execution. We can view the job details individually. Next, we'll execute the job that we submitted previously. The MetaMask has prompted to confirm the transaction. We will confirm the transaction and wait for the job to complete. Now the task is not available as it has been executed. Let's log in again with the user account to view the results. We can see already that the count for the completed jobs has increased from 7 to 8. This is the job that we submitted, and it has moved from pending to completed state. We can now see the job details along with the accuracy of the model. All of the data are being stored on the chain.